Hello everybody, Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's the Hoover Washing Machine, the dispenser drawer, and what goes in what compartment. I don't know about you, but I'm always forgetting what goes in what compartment. Right, let's get cracking. Now what you can do, of course, is use these pods, and these go straight inside the drum of the washing machine to wash your clothes, in which case you don't need to use the dispenser drawer. Okay, this is the Hoover washing machine here, and this one is a VisionTECH washing machine, but they all should be very similar on the Hoover models. So I just pull out the dispenser / detergent drawer here. And what we've got is we've got three compartments: compartment number 2, compartment number 1, and the middle compartment. Okay, the first compartment, which is compartment number 2, is where you put your main washing detergent. Now this can be liquid or powder, but I actually prefer to use washing machine detergent liquid. Now depending on how much laundry you've got depends how much liquid detergent you use, but generally it's between 30 to 70 millilitres. Compartment number 1 is where you put your pre-wash detergent. If your Hoover washing machine has a pre-wash function, this is where it does a pre-wash if you've got any heavily soiled laundry or any stained clothes like these boxer shorts here. But these aren't actually stained, it's just C3PO. And the middle compartment is where you put your fabric softener or any additives or fragrances or starch or any brighteners, etc. But it's very important that you don't overfill this and never go above the maximum level mark. And a really good tip for your Hoover washing machine: after about every 30 washing machine cycles, you should run a hygienically fresh washing program. And there's a link above now about how to do that. That keeps it in tip-top condition. And after all that hard work, it is definitely time for a lovely cup of tea. Oh. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. There's also some other videos around the edges of the screen here. If any of those are useful to you, then you can select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.